What's goody, black family? You already know it's your boy Q Butter, and I'm here to tell you we got a black-owned business. I gotta put on blast. Now, I'm not one to promote vices, and if you do your drink and smoke, whatever it is, go ahead and do what you do. But if you're gonna be buying liquor and you in Brooklyn and you in New York, I need you to stop by The Hill. Yes, black-owned wine store, wine and liquor. You know what I'm saying? Gotta stop by here and get your business on. You walk in and show you the spot. You got this spot looking nice, elegant, black business, doing what it's supposed to look like. You say, where the brother at? Where the owner at? Where he at? Oh, we got to show you. Anytime a black man do what he doing. Where you at, kid? I gotta show this. Look at this black man do what he do. Now again, the purpose is to support black businesses. You see the brother right here.
It's good.
Let him know. What made you start this, bro?
My brother, speaking things into existence, knowing that we needed to be, involved in our communities and the businesses that go in our communities. And about 10 years ago, he was like, let's do something that's recession-proof. That's not something that too many of our people in our culture think of. We usually think of just going with the flow. He was like, let's do something recession-proof. And the liquor business is one of those businesses. And I know it's kind of not too easy getting into the business based on most of the things that we need to start in this business are a lot of things that's held against us as culture, in our culture and in the neighborhoods that we grew up in. Background checks, credit history, employment history, location, financial history and stuff like that. So a lot of those things are against us. Fortunately, we were blessed enough to be able to pass those things and get in. And it wasn't easy. We got a lot of no's, but like I said, in this business, you're allowed. Everybody that say, I want to get a liquor license, you're allowed to go out there and try it. The worst thing that can happen is they tell you no, but they got to tell you why. Mm-hmm. And then you have a chance to fix that and go back at it. And that's what we did. And we were able to break through, just don't stop. And now we're here. And able to come back and do a liquor store in our neighborhood where we grew up at, The Hill, Brownsville. So, this is all love.
It's fire.
It's a blessing, man. Prospect Plaza kids, man, we back.
See it. Black business, black employees, and it's clean. This isn't no ghetto liquor store. This is a very well nice, created, established spot here, man. So you come here, get your drink on, get your buy on, and support a black business. You know what Q Butter tell you? Black business, all we got, all we need. I'm gonna have to come back here with the real cameras. I came with the phone. I'm gonna come here with the real camera because this spot is too nice to be coming here with the phone camera. Gotta do it real justice. End it with Biggie on the wall. Black power, all we got is us. Bye.